When the sun rises, I wake up and chase my dreams. I won't regret when the sun sets, 'cause I live my life like I'm a beast.
Hey yo, back to make you run around again like it's a fire. I spit acid, bitch, like I got cyanide in my saliva. Watch me wet and heat shit up like I'm a washer in a dryer, while I beat you in your head until you tired.
I'm a motherfucking beast.
See the way we got all my niggas is open. I'm doing it again, tripping in the wrong skate. Got a nigga while I like it in the bullpen. Look at it wishing the hell they hoping that I would've managed and I stop and I will finish, but I drop and always kill a nigga hotter than a skillet. Think you fucking with the God, you gotta be joking. Every single time you niggas see me step inside the door, killing everything with 1,000 gorillas behind me. So I suggest you bounce and let your chick eat my salami slow. Fly like I tell you to dance, old niggas in the hood with that tsunami flow. Get back, homie.